Congratulations on taking the first step towards a stronger financial future. If negative items such as collections, medical debts, charge-offs, late payments, student loans, bankruptcies, judgments, foreclosures, repossessions, tax liens, child support, or inquiries are ruining your credit scores, then we have the solution for you. At CreditLady.com, we understand that bad things happen to good people. That's why we offer a free consultation process that allows us to see exactly what's hindering your personal credit file. No two people are the same, and because of that, we have to treat you as an individual in order for you to achieve the best results. The programs that we offer are designed for those that want to have a one-time payment option or a monthly payment option to make it affordable. In addition, we have a free program that allows clients to repair their credit themselves while having the support from our staff in our private Facebook group. At CreditLady.com, we're committed to teaching our clients how to use their personal credit to make smart financial decisions and to build true wealth. We provide free consultations, free credit analysis report, express credit repair, secure online portal, financial literacy tools, unlimited disputes, business and personal funding, one-on-one support, exclusive Facebook group, and financial education courses. There are more than 80% of Americans suffering in silence with poor credit because they don't know how to fix these problems, or they don't have the time, or maybe both. At CreditLady.com, we're here to help educate and empower you. As a client, you'll be updated regularly. You'll have access to your client portal with your own login. In addition, you'll be added to our private Facebook group where the goal is to guide our clients to a 700 plus FICO score and offer a wealth of benefits designed to keep you on track with your credit and financial goals. Having excellent credit is great, but learning how to maintain and utilize your credit is of greater importance. Rest assured that when you hire the Credit Lady team, you're in capable hands. Go to thecreditlady.com now to begin your free consultation.